my name is Sarah and I work here at Clary Sage College in admissions, and today we're going to look over your kit that you'll get in the barber program. So we're pretty excited about it. We've never seen it.
Yeah.
This is Kyle. She's one of our admissions rep as well, so she's going to be showing you guys some of the stuff as long as with me too.
Awesome. So here we go. This is the Barber Kit. One of the things we love about it is that it's portable. You can take it with you easily when you come to class each day. And the pieces come apart, I think, too. We haven't opened this before.
This has never been seen, people. So
let's see. Oh, it does. It just like lifts off of here.
Slides up.
So fun.
Okay.
Oh, and I
wonder if there's anything in here. Do you want to start with this one?
Let's.
Okay. Oh my. Okay. So you can kind of see it's pretty well organized, which is good, especially for me. Okay. So let's start off with seeing what you got in here. So you have your neck duster, which, you know, some of the barber kind of old schoolers came back in with your straight razor shaves and your facials and things like that. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You have your palm brush here.
Got butterfly clamps.
There's about a billion different combs in here. Of course, your spray bottle.
Oh yeah, look at all these combs. Oh my god. Fun. Pack of combs. 6-piece comb set.
These are all combs. So in picks it looks like so they're different sizes. So like there's an 8.5 inch, a 9 inch, so just all different sizes of combs in here. I can't even tell you how many is in here. 7-inch barber comb. There's a heat resistant one.
Got some styling brushes as well. So combs and brushes.
Wow, there's like tons of
combs.
So this must be like your comb part here. Oh, your shaving brush. So you do have that. I keep wanting to like show it to the light.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. What's this? An oval palm brush.
So you have 2 of those. Because I had one as well.
Okay.
Awesome. Definitely going to need the neck duster with all of your clipper cuts, I'm sure.
Yes. Okay.
So that's your little top portion there.
And this. Okay. This is like the bottom portion of it.
Wow.
You can see that it's on wheels, which is fun.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, a station mat.
Oh.
The professional barber's choice, it says.
Okay, so here's going to be your shears, and something we ask our barbers is whether if you're right or left-handed, so that you can have shears that are customized to fit you, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, here's the safety razor.
Very good. Don't forget you're going to be doing straight razor shave. That's one of the things barbers can do and not cosmetologists.
Yeah.
Here's your hairstyling razor kit. Actually, I want to see what this looks like.
Yeah, I want to see that too. While you're opening that, you get this mirror. So it's a large one.
So here's your hairstyling razor kit here. Wow. And some more combs that comes with it. I like how everything's all separated.
Yeah, that's nice. What else is in here?
What is that, your mirror?
Yeah, this is a mirror.
Oh wow, this is cool.
Oh.
So here's your trimmer. Ooh, that's a nice
And
one
this
too.
is your clipper.
And if you want to know, it's 1/4 inch or wider here on the trimmer. Quiet, lightweight, T-shaped combs is what it says on the back here. Just so you know.
This says it includes 6 cutting guides.
Oh,
That's fun.
awesome.
6 combs, taper lever. Oh, it's got hair on the side. This is awesome. Okay.
Never seen any of this stuff. Okay, so here's one of your mini fun mannequin heads. So don't forget in barber, you do have to work on women's hair and men's hair as well as kids.
Children.
And I will just be the bearer of bad news now. You still have to roll perm. So we're going to get some of that out in a minute.
So this is a mannequin head that you get. Again, it's like hard to see.
Wow. Does she have like super long hair here?
I think she does.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So here's one of your mannequin heads. So you'll get several in here so you can kind of see the back of it here. She doesn't have any. Oh yeah, this is Deborah.
Deborah. Just
just
Deborah.
Gotta have a name. Is that all on the top?
All right, that's it. That's the Barber Kit.
That's your Barber Kit. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys got to see a lot of the stuff that you're going to be getting, but we also wanted to let you know that you will be getting a graduation kit. So you'll be getting more stuff as you get closer to graduation. In that kit, you're going to get another Deborah mannequin. You're going to get more trimmers, barber side jar. You're going to get clippers, a dryer. You're going to get your styling cape. Your styling strips. You'll also get your chemical cape, your mixing bowl, and then you'll also get your perm rods and your perm paper because like I said, you do have to learn how to roll perms for state board, so don't worry, we got you covered on that. But just to let you know, you will be getting a separate graduation kit with even more stuff, so pretty cool. Anything you want to add, Kyle?
I don't think so. We're just so excited that you joined us today and that you're checking this kit out. If you have any questions, feel free to give any of us a call. You can visit clarysagecollege.com. And we hope we get to talk to you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.